Hello everyone and welcome to our Facebook page. So today again we will show you how to decorate a plate with different fruits. So at first we are using some olives and we are putting it on the plate, and again we will make one more of it, and next after putting the olive on the plate we will use some bananas. We'll use the banana to make the trunk of the tree. You can see how we are putting the cuts, and next after cutting it we'll put it with the olives, and you can see now this is looking like a palm tree. Next we will use some oranges and we'll cut it into a shape which is shown in the video. After cutting it we'll put it on the ground to make the ground, and we are using the oranges to make the ground, and after putting it you can see how good the island is looking. Next again we are using some dragon fruit and we are putting it on the plate, and we are making a different type of flower with it. And now after doing that we'll use some olives and we'll cut it into the circular shape to decorate the inner part of the flower. You can see now we are using some cherries, and again we'll put it in the inner part of the circle, and after putting it we will use some cucumbers and we'll cut it as shown in the video, and we'll make a beautiful flower with it. You can see how we are folding it to make the flower, and next we'll put it on the outer part of the flower, and you can see how good it is looking now. Now we are using some radish and we are cutting it into small pieces. After cutting we'll put it on the plate, and you can see how we are putting it to make a different shape with it, and after putting you can see the hexagonal shape has come. So after getting the shape we'll use some oranges again and we'll cut it into the circular shape. You can see how we are cutting it from the between, and next we'll put it in the inner part of the flower. And after completing the inner part of the flower, again we will use some cherry to decorate it. Now again we will use some dragon fruit and we'll cut it from the between and we'll put it on the outer part of the flower. After putting the dragon fruit you can see how good it is looking now. Next again we are using some cucumber and we are cutting it into small pieces, and also we are using some oranges and we are putting it on the cucumber. You can see now it is looking like caged orange. Now we'll put some more of it on the plate and we'll make a circular shape. After doing that we'll use some cherries and we'll cut it into small pieces, and after cutting it we'll decorate the inner and the outer part with the cherries. You can see after adding the cherries we'll again use some olives and we'll put it in the inner part of the circle. You can see how good it is looking now. Now again we will use some oranges and we'll cut it into small pieces, or you can see in the circular shape, and we'll put it in the inner part to make it look more beautiful. And of course we will add some cherries in the center to make it look more good. Next again we are using some cucumbers and we are cutting it to decorate the outer part of the flower. You can see how we have cutted it, and now we will put it on the outer part of the flower. You can see after putting this how good it will look. Thank you very much for watching the video.